A station wagon or state car is an automotive body style variant of a sedan with its roof extended rearward over a shared passenger cargo volume with access at the back via a third or fifth door. Instead of a trunk bottlet, the body style transforms a standard three-box design into a two-box design to include an A, B, and C pillar as well as a D pillar. Station wagon can flexibly reconfigure their interior volume via fold-down rear seats to prioritize either passenger or cargo volume. The American Heritage Dictionary defines a station wagon as an automobile with one or more rows of folding or removable seats behind the driver and no cargo compartment but an area behind the seats into which suitcases, parcels, etc. can be loaded through a tailgate. When a model range includes multiple body styles such as sedan, hatchback, and a station wagon, the models typically share their platform, drivetrain, and bodywork forward of the A pillar and usually the B pillar. In 1969, Popular Machines said station wagon style follows that one of the production sedan of which it is the counterpart. Most are on the same wheelbase, offer the same transmission and engine option, and the same comfort and convenience option. Station wagon have evolved from their early use as specialized vehicles to carry people and luggage to and from a train station. The demand for station wagon body style has faded since the 2010 in favor of the crossover or SUV designs, reflecting the original purpose of transporting people and luggage between country, state, and train station. The station wagon body style is called an estate car or estate in the United Kingdom or a wagon in Australia and New Zealand. Either horse-drawn or automotive, the earliest use of the station wagon description would be considered to describe utility vehicles or light trucks. The depot hackney or taxi, often on a Model T chassis with an exposed wood body, most often found around railroad station, was the precursor of the station wagon body style in the United States. These early models with exposed wooden bodies become known as woodies. By the 1920s, the status of the station wagon description changed to consider them as vehicle for passengers. In Germany, the term Kombi is used, which is short for combination motor vehicle. Kombi is also the term used in Poland. In Russia and some post-Soviet countries, this type of car is called universal. Manufacturers may design station wagons across various model lines with a proprietary nameplate for marketing differentiation. Examples include Avantbrake, Craftsman, Kombi, Sports Tourer, Sportswagen, Tourer, Touring, and Variant. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel.